Hello guys, it's dark outside here in Montana right now. Must be like a plane, I think, going by there. This video is about that star right there. Kind of flickering. I don't know if you can see that well in the camera. Well, I sure can. It's already the blurry. I don't know if that's like a shooting star or what. If any of you guys know, I really appreciate a comment down below about it. And that's my Copperstone Harbories Builder's Best. It's not what the video is about. Floodlight, which isn't connected at the moment, and a Spectacular Advanced B2RK. That white wire there goes to those switches, and those switches go up to the floodlight, but that isn't connected at the moment. Just showing this, just so you'll know how I'm doing this as of right now. And a wire goes up from the floodlight across this wood beam down to the fan box, which I'm pretty sure you know this by now, but I have it a straight a fan brace mounted back box for ceiling fans. That way I can demonstrate a hugger fan, like one of those close mount fans like the Harbor Breeze Armitage, the Littletons, and all that other stuff there. I still use downrod mount ceiling fans. This one is able to be flush mounted, but I decided to just have the downrod on it. So I personally don't flush mounts. I'm not the guy who typically flush mounts ceiling fans. I much prefer to have the downrod, to mount it with the downrod. Well, anyway, that's just it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Over and out.